Okay, I didn't want to move my camera, but I'm gonna show you how to replace this one. It's nothing out of the world, and it's nothing difficult. Just find out the right size, right socket size. It's a 4. No es nada del otro mundo para reemplazar nuestra válvula aquí. It's nothing out of the world. Okay, I just need the bolts. They're gonna be tight. Oh, they're so corroded in the back. Let me get some lubricant. Tienen, sí, es algo de otro mundo porque tienen mucho óxido los tornillos atrás. They are corroded on the back. Let me put some. This is WD-40. I got it. I get a gallon and I put my WD-40 right here. It's cheaper and it's better. Okay, right there. Let's see. Tight. Right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician
Okay.
Heights remind you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs.
It's going, but it's hard.
Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
put
brakes,
some-
transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized
WD-40.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Woodland. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Woodland.
If you start feeling like, see my hand, it's not right here. It's right here, see? Because I'm not putting too much pressure. Because as soon as I start feeling like this one is getting hard, I turn it the other way. Let me go right here and open. See, let's do this one. It's going. Ahí va. Let me put some WD-40. Well, this one going out easier. Este está saliendo más fácil. Okay, let's replace this. Customer came and I have to go check the car. And right now the sun is right there. I'm gonna block it. Okay, I removed this one already. And I'm gonna have to clean it with brush, wire brush. Para limpiarlo con el cepillo de alambre. Queda un poquito más limpio este porque está un poquito oxidado. Okay, let's remove the other one. Vamos a quitar el otro. Let's remove this. This one it's oh, I get it tight because I was removing it. I need to move this one a little bit so I can put fluid right here. Lo moví así para poder echarle un poquito de líquido aquí porque está se pone duro a cierto punto. So, lo que vamos a hacer es que lo vamos a apretar para que lubrique la rosca. Oops, the fluid it's coming up here. Okay. Voy a apretarlo para que la rosca se lubrique. At a certain point it gets hard. A cierto punto se pone duro esto. Ahí viene, vamos a ver, ahí se quedó más flojito, pero cuando llega ahí se va a poner apretado. See, it's turning hard. You can hear it. It's going better. Okay. Right there. we got the bolt out. I need to clean it with the tool. Lo voy a tener que limpiar con la herramienta porque se trajo el poquito de rosca. See, it's working, but it's going to damage the other thread, so I'm going to have to clean it. Okay, we finished removing this one. Let me get the other evaporator. Déjame traer el otro evaporador que aquí lo tengo al lado. Y vamos a ponerle pero voy a limpiar la rosca, okay? Let me get the tool to clean the thread. Vamos a limpiarla. Vamos a limpiar la rosca, okay? De los dos tornillos. Okay. Let's see if this one works. It's fine. This is the thing that takes time, and sometimes the customer doesn't understand, and the book doesn't say this. See, sometimes the book just says, hey, it's 1 hour to remove this part and that's it. But what happens when you work on this kind of cars that they're already rusty? See? It's hard. Let me get something to clean it. Something else. Wait, agarrar otra cosa para limpiarlo. Let me see. This one's sitting right. Wait. See it? Good. Muy bien. M5 6.8. Es métrico 5 milímetros y la rosca es 6.8. So let's clean it all the way. Para limpiarla todo. Oops. Getting hard. The rust. Good. Okay. Thread it's clean. Tenemos limpia la rosca, ya es tarde, se nos hizo tarde. Y el otro carro lo tuvimos que checar. Tenía amarrada la máquina. Tenía amarrada la polea del compresor. No amarrada, pero se está amarrando. No venden el bearing. So we're gonna have to replace the compressor and everything on that Infinity. Vamos a tener que cambiarle a ese Infinity una compresora. Okay, we got it clean. Ya tenemos la rosca limpia. We got both bolts clean. Okay, now let me get the O-rings. Vamos a traer las ligas. Okay, we have this one. Make sure this one is under pressure. See, it's got pressure in it. Some right there. Here. Chequen que esto tenga compresión. Si es que no traen presión, pues algo anda mal por ahí. Okay. Let me get the O-rings. I need to look for the O-rings. This one doesn't come with O-rings. This brand never come with O-rings. They should. They should send the O-rings, but they never send them. Okay, let's check. See, free to go in there.
And save money tomorrow. All types of
Ya
maintenance.
está libre para que vayan a tratar.
Conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
Okay.
cooling systems,
Let me get the O-rings.
It's on the car. Gabriel Auto. Fix it
Okay,
or
we got
replace
the
it.
O-rings right here.
Diagnostics.
Let's
Gabriel
find
Auto Technician,
the O-rings.
413 Highway 100.
Vamos a buscarlos.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
Los,
Highway 100 in Laguna.
Las ligas, los aritos, no sé qué estos son. No, they're too thick. Son muy gruesos. Estos, these ones work. Okay. Estos trabajan para aquí. And let's put the expansion valve. Vamos a poner la válvula de expansión. All right. Let's put the expansion valve. Vamos a poner la nueva válvula de expansión. Okay, we got the oil. It's a shipping compressor, used compressor. Well, the compressor that comes inside the compressor. The oil that comes inside the compressor, the new compressors. See, I save them. I save the oil for these O-rings. They're used. I never use the shipping oil. I always drain the oil and put new oil and the right amount of oil. So sometimes they ship the compressor with less or more oil, so it's better to remove the oil and put new one in the correct amount. Okay, este aceite es el aceite que viene en las compresoras nuevas cuando las reemplazo. Now I need to find out these O-rings and the ones for this side. Okay, necesito buscar los O-rings para aquí y para acá. Vamos a meter, voy a ponerle aquí tape. I'm gonna put tape around here and I'm gonna slide it in. I don't have a white foam tape. I only have this one, but I'm gonna put right here around this part. Voy a poner aquí. Right there. Now this side. Ahora este lado. Okay, let's slide this one in there. Let me remove the paper. Vamos a quitar el papel a esto y vamos a meterlo ahí. Okay. We got the insulation. Now let's slide this one in there. Vamos a meter este de dentro. Vamos a poner la camarita por aquí. Poner la cámara. Let's put the camera over here and slide. Vamos a deslizar este aquí. No sin antes poner el sensor de la temperatura. We need to put the sensor. Right here goes the temperature sensor. Let's open the fins and slide the sensor carefully. Vamos a buscar el sensor aquí. Ahí así. Okay, now let's slide this one in there. Vamos a deslizarlo. Okay, right there. Oops. Oopsie loopsie. Okay, right there. This one goes right there. All right. We're gonna finish this car tomorrow because right now it's late already. 7:22, Wednesday, June 30th. Vamos a terminar este carro mañana porque ya es tarde. Okay, let's put the cover. Vamos a poner esta cubierta aquí donde la sacamos. Acuérdense que no quería salir porque tiene una parte aquí y esta parte también pega en las líneas. See, remember we have to tilt this plastic, and because it's got this, okay, right there, it's got this part right here and this part right here, it's hitting the lines. So let's push it. Vamos a empujar esto. Ahí está. Oops. Right there. Okay. Let's push this one. Remember that we have this part right here. We need to jump this part. That's the part it was hitting when I pull it too. Tiene esa parte ahí también, está pegando. Cuando la saqué aquí, ¿se acuerdan que estaba pegando aquí? Bueno, vamos a cruzarla. We need to cross it. Okay. Let's push this one. Have a look at. Oh, okay. Yes. Let's push it over here. It's gonna be a little bit hard to push it in here, but we need to push it in there, right there. Okay, we got it in place. Ya tenemos su lugar. El cable está aquí, no está mordiéndose. We got this one right there. Okay, let's put the screws. Vamos poniendo los tornillos, primero los de abajo y luego los de arriba. Let's push this one in here. Okay, let's put this screw right here. And the last one on top, el de hasta arriba, okay. El último, el de hasta arriba. We need to go on top of the lines. Vamos a ir arriba de la línea. Con cuidado, okay, right there. Okay, we got it. Now let's put the lines. I need to get the O-rings, to agarrar las ligas. Ponérselas aquí a los O-rings aquí. En esta parte. Okay, let's remove the rings. Quitando las ligas. Oops. Un poquito difícil de quitar. They're a little difficult to remove these rings. Okay, there's one. And here's another one. It's a little bit. Where is it? It's fluid. Fluid in there. Está todo pegado. It's stuck. Oops, that's another problem. Aquí está otro problema, ¿ves? Sí. Never happens. This thing never happens to me. Like this one, it's fluid. What? Está pegado el O-ring aquí. Híjole, mira. Nunca me le echaron pegamento. Que did somebody put glue on it or what? No way. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to remove this O-ring. See how this happened? It's coming. Okay, this is the part. Okay. Yep. free. Ya está. Okay, I got the O-rings on this one. So I need to slide it in, but I need to put the O-rings right here on the line. Voy a poner aquí las ligas en este.
Heating, tune-ups, brakes,
Okay.
transmission, cooling systems, bandwidth, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto
Right there.
Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Then the other one on the
That's
bottom.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Let me put this one on the small. It's a little bit hard because it's the line is bigger on the tip, and then you need to pull the punta. Right. Right there, got it. We did it. Okay, so let me put some oil on this inlet right here. Vamos a ponerle aceite en esta entrada a la válvula de expansión. Okay, push this one out. Right there. Okay. Now let's push this one over here. Remember that we have the right there. Okay, got it. Now let's put the bolt right here. Vamos a poner el tornillo. This bolt doesn't have to be real tight. Okay, let's tighten this bolt. Vamos a apretar el tornillo. Like I say, don't over tight this bolt because it's not like pressing the seals. It's just getting or holding this part. No sobreaprieten esos tornillos porque ese no es no va como prensando los sellos, sí, nada más para detener esa placa. Okay, let's put this one. Push it in here. And we have this one. We need to push it in there the way it was. See, this part needs to be held inside. Okay. Push it through, or push it in. Not through because I'm not gonna pass it through, but just push it in here. So this one needs to be in there. Oops. It's in. Ahí está metido el condón, el rubber condom. See, ahí está. It went in there. It's covering the valve. That's it. Okay, let's do it. Let's push it through. It went all the way in there. Here's the valve. Okay, so we got that pipe in there. Let's connect it on the outside. Vamos a conectarlo allá afuera y vamos a poner la máquina a trabajar. Let's put the machine to work. Let's connect the lines right here, and let's connect the machine and put it to work. Okay. Vamos a empujar aquí esto. Let me slide this pipe. This pipe comes off. This one needs to be in, okay? There's no way. Okay, so let me push the pipe over. Okay, we got it held right there. Let's push it right here. Let's push the line in there. Las líneas. This one went in. I need to push this one. Okay. And it's in there. Now let's put the bolt. Vamos a poner el tornillo. Get this one tight. This is the same, it doesn't need to be so tight. Right there. Okay, let me put the gauges. Vamos poniendo los manómetros del air condition. Let's put the gauges. Okay, the vacuum is holding correctly. Holding good. See? I got the vacuum for about 30 minutes and it's holding. It's not leaking. So let's keep vacuum system. Ya lo puse, tiene como media hora que tiene la bomba de vacío. Ahora vamos a poner todo el resto de las cosas de aquí. Vamos a poner lo que va aquí, todo el compartimento. Let's put the compartment. Let me remove the holder. I put this thing to hold that part because I have no helper, so I put my helper. This one I use it for the brakes too. And this is a monopod. ¿Sí? Este es un polo que ocupas para la cámara. Vamos a poner la concha que va aquí y de ahí vamos a poner los cables y todo como debe de ser. Voy a hablar a las partes del filtro a ver si ya llegó. I'm gonna call the auto parts store, see if the filter is already here because they ordered the filter. So let me put this part. Okay, let's push it. Push it. Vamos poniendo este así como lo sacamos. Tilt it. We tilt the thing to get it out. So let's put this one on the back. This part. Oops. Okay, right there. See, let's put it in down here into the bolt. Vamos a empujarlo aquí dentro del tornillo del stud que está aquí y ya está puesto. Ok, ya lo metimos. Now let's put the bolts and screws. Push this one down here. Now let's put the screws, the bolts, and everything that goes right there. Vamos a poner todo lo que va ahí. Okay, we're gonna have to use the wrench again for these nuts on the top. Vamos a usar la llave para apretar estos tornillos, estas tuercas de arriba. Muy bien. Very good. Right here. See? Okay, let's tighten the bolts and the screws, these ones, and then we're gonna put the other one that goes in there and the other one that goes on top. Okay, okay, right there. Well, you need to put the screw, goes all the way in there. Vamos a poner la pija que va acá adentro. Let me see. Let me see where this one goes. Sounds good. Right there. Ya quedó el tornillino de ahí. It's way in there. Okay. Now let's connect all the wires. And we need to put this one over here too. Okay. Let's put these. Vamos a poner este de aquí. También. Right there. Okay, let's connect all the wiring. I'm waiting for the filter. Estoy esperando el filtro también. I'm waiting for the filter. Let me put this cover right here. Voy a poner esta tapa aquí mientras llega el filtro, ¿ok? Todavía no viene. Traen tortuga. Let's connect all these connectors right here. ¿Sí? Vamos a conectar todas estas conexiones. ¿Se acuerda que le dije que esta a lo mejor no teníamos que desconectarla? Pero pues sí, la desconectamos y pues... Ok. Let's put it right here and let's push it in here. Vamos a ponerla aquí. Vamos a ponerla ahí a su lugar, ¿ok? Now let's connect these others. Vamos a conectar estas otras. El actuator. Let's connect the actuator right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you
Now
to be
let's
ready for
connect
hot days of summer.
this
Get
one
your preventative maintenance
over
now
here.
and
I
save
need
money
to
tomorrow. All types of maintenance
put this
occurs for your auto
right-
and truck. Air conditioning,
right here.
heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
there.
fan belts, ball joints.
connect
If it's on the
this.
car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or
Conectar
replace it.
este.
Featuring
see.
computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
goes
413
right
Highway
here.
100, Laguna
top.
Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Let's pull the wires. Vamos a jalar estos alambres. Right here. Let's connect this one. Let's conectar este. The resistor and the motor. Right there. Now let's put this one. Oh, let me connect this one over here. Vamos a conectar una vez este de aquí para ya terminar este lado. Okay, right there. Let's put this one over there. This one needs to go up here, but the clip is gone. Okay, right there. Let's put this right here. Vamos a poner este aquí en su lugar. Let's put this one over here. Vamos a poner este aquí. All right. Now let's put the connectors. Vamos a conectar todas estas conexiones. Okay. Body control module. This one over here. Right there. Now let's put the cover. This cover. Esta cubiertita. Esta ahora sí va aquí. This one needs to be pushed in there. Okay. What's up, baby? Right there. Ya está. Ya no más falta poner esto. We need to put this right there. I'm waiting for the filter. Estamos esperando por el filtro también. And it's getting hot. Estoy esperando por el filtro. Vamos a poner esto de una vez aquí. Pero antes de poner todo esto, vamos a poner vamos a poner esta base de aquí. Let's see. Right there. Sí. Vamos a poner esta aquí. Y esta la vamos a meter por acá. It goes attached to this and this. Let's push down these locking things. Okay, I turned my vacuum off and let's recharge the system. Vamos a recargar el sistema, ya quedó el vacuum, ya le dimos vacuum. Vamos a recargar el sistema ahora. Okay, let's close this. We got the scale right here. Tenemos nuestra basculona. Aquí la tenemos. Vamos a prenderla. Let's turn the scale on. Yeah. We need to see how many pounds it takes. This car takes, okay? Vamos a ver cuánta cantidad de refrigerante lleva este carro. Por lo que dice aquí, it says right here 650 grams, 5.3 ounces. Oh, that's the oil. The charge 134.80. 1.43 pounds, 650 pounds, grams. So let's put our scale right here and set it up there, and set it up on kilograms, right there. Okay, now let's open right here and turn it over. Darle vuelta. Ahora vamos a meterle 650 gramos, es lo que dice ahí aquí el sticker. Si no lo trae el sticker aquí, ahí en la descripción les voy a poner un website donde pueden ir. Ahí están todos los carros, cuánto lleva de aceite, cuánto lleva de refrigerante, todas las capacidades. I'm gonna put if your car doesn't have the sticker, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can go to our website and check how many pounds your car needs. There's 650 grams right there. 100, 150, 190, 200, 210, 220, 240, 270, 280, 290, 300, 340, 350. We need 650 grams. 650 gramos, vamos en 400 y ahí paró. Okay, stops at 400. So that's it. We need to start the engine and then start the rest with the compressor system. Okay, let me start the engine. Let's put the rest 420, 410, 440, 480, 500. 500, 40, 50, right there. 650 grams. Tenemos 650 gramos dentro del sistema y la presión está muy bien, como verán. Está muy bien, está trabajando el sistema correctamente. La compresora tiene buena compresión. See, the compressor got a good compression and nothing needs clog. It's working fine. See, the pressure on the high side is correct and the pressure on the low side is correct. So right now I'm gonna check the temperature inside there. Right here we have, aquí afuera tenemos 128 grados en el cemento, aquí en el piso. We have 128 degrees on the floor right here. Let's check inside. Vamos a checar aquí adentro cuánto tenemos de temperatura. Good, it's nice. Okay, let's see. 58 already and going down. 58 grados tenemos y va para abajo, va enfriando. See, 56. It's gonna get colder right now because see, right here on the dash it's 124. Right here on the dash. Aquí en el tablero tenemos 133 grados aquí en el tablero de caliente. So va a llevar un poquito de rato para que se enfríe, pero está jalando muy bien. Sí, 56 degrees. It's working fine. Todo está trabajando muy bien. So, muchas gracias por ver el video. Espero les sirva. Si van a hacer este trabajo ustedes o en su carro, espero les sirva. Okay. I hope the video helped you, and thank you for watching. And we finished. It's getting colder. It's getting good. Nice inside. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to push the button, subscribe, and if you subscribe yet to my channel, thank you. Thank you for being part of my channel. Gracias por ser parte de mi canal. Si ya están suscritos, si no son suscriptores todavía, púchenle ahí en el botoncito. ¿Sí? Ahí donde dice suscríbanse, suscribirse, ahí. Espero les sirva este video que hice y los otros también. No sé a qué, si es su carro que están arreglando o nada más quieren ver lo que puede hacer ustedes o algún mecánico que lo pueda. Ya ustedes tienen la idea de lo que puede hacer el mecánico, ¿verdad? So, ya está. Sí, I don't know why you're watching this video, because maybe you're gonna do it by yourself, or maybe somebody else is gonna do it, or maybe you need an idea or what the mechanic needs to do, or the technician, whoever wanna work on this one, on your car. I don't know if you're a mechanic and you need to watch. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you later. Today it's Friday. No, it's Thursday, July 1st, 2021. Hoy es julio 1 del 2021. Y ya es tarde, ya son las 2, ya casi las 3, 10 para las 3. Ya nos vamos. O más o menos para que sepan una idea cuando hice este video, porque los voy subiendo de vez en cuando, viejos, nuevos, y ahí me voy. So, ahí nos vemos, sí. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Gracias, ahí nos vemos.
That's GabrielAutoTech, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.